In the month of December in the year 2022, Toyota provided a glimpse of the next generation of CHR by unveiling the Prologue concept. Now, it is finally time to meet the subsequent production model. The new design of the CHR retains the distinctiveness of its predecessor, which has gained popularity in the competitive small crossover segment. The development and engineering of the replacement model took place in Europe, where it will also be manufactured. According to reports, the 2024 CHR showcases a super coupe profile and boasts 20-inch wheels, along with a two-tone paint job. Toyota has gone the extra mile to minimize the visible gaps between body panels and enhance the integration of cameras, sensors, and headlight washers. These efforts result in a sleeker appearance and improved aerodynamics. Upon entering the cabin, which features a 104-inch wheelbase, one cannot miss the 12.3-inch fully digital instrument cluster accompanied by a touchscreen of the same size. The higher-end variants offer additional features such as a head-up display, 64-color ambient lighting, a panoramic roof, and a JBL sound system. In contrast to other brands, Toyota has decided to retain physical buttons for frequently used functions, despite the increasing screen sizes in each new car generation. Furthermore, the interior of the GR Sport Premier Edition, distinguished by red accents and a GR badge, showcases sporty touches both inside and outside the vehicle. As expected, the new CHR will only be available in Europe with hybrid powertrain options. The lineup includes a 1.8-liter unit, a 2.0-liter plug-in hybrid configuration, and a 2.0-liter hybrid version with optional all-wheel drive. The entry-level 1.8-liter unit generates a combined output of 140 horsepower, followed by the 2.0-liter setup with 198 horsepower, and the plug-in hybrid variant with 223 horsepower. In terms of performance, the base model equipped with the 1.8-liter hybrid powertrain achieves a 0 to 62 miles per hour acceleration in 9.9 seconds and reaches a top speed of 106 miles per hour. The front-wheel drive 2.0-liter model completes the sprint in 8.1 seconds or 7.9 seconds for the all-wheel drive version. Both the 2.0-liter hybrid models have a top speed of 112 miles per hour. As for the plug-in hybrid, it accomplishes the 0 to 62 miles per hour acceleration in 7.4 seconds and reaches a top speed of 112 miles per hour. When fully charged, the electric range of the plug-in hybrid is approximately 41 miles. Toyota has already initiated online reservations for the European market. In addition to the GR Sport Premier Edition mentioned earlier, there is also a High Premier Edition that offers a subset of features typically found in high-end versions. However, unlike its predecessor, the second-generation CHR will not be made available for sale in the United States.